Welcome back. Today I wanted to do a quick tutorial just to show you how to make a PDF of your Google Slides activity, or really any of the Google activities that we're going to be doing during the semester. So the easiest thing to do is go to File, and you're going to go down to Print. Now sometimes I've seen some students where this is, maybe it's got extra things, I'm not sure, but they actually have to scroll down to find the Print button. So if you have a scroll bar on the right hand side over here, just make sure you scroll all the way down and go to Print. And then the Print Preview box will come up. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to change the destination because we don't really want to print it. We want to make a PDF. So if you click on the drop down bar, one of the options is Save as PDF. And we don't really want all the pages, or at least I don't want you to submit all the pages. So you're just going to click on Custom, and then you're going to put in page 2. For this particular assignment, we really just want this page. All right, and then you're going to go ahead and click on Save. And now what it's going to do, it's going to ask you next where you want to save it. So now you can choose where to save it. Most of the time I tell students, just create a new folder somewhere on your desktop for Bio 132 activities. You're going to be saving things quite a bit and submitting them this semester, so you might as well just make a folder for all of them to keep them together. If you really want to get fancy, you can make a folder for Bio 132, and then inside of that make different folders for different exams. That's sort of up to you. But you can choose Bio 132, you can name it whatever you want, and then once you save it, which I'm not going to do, you have it in that folder and easy to submit in the link on Canvas. When you've finished all 3 activities, you're going to go back to Canvas, and you're going to navigate to the link in the chemistry module. You're going to click it open. Okay, and there's the instructions. You can view the rubric, make sure that you answered each of the 3 activities. And then we're going to be submitting this by uploading those PDFs we just saved. Now, I suggest you stay away from Canvas files. Things often get messed up over there. So the easiest thing to do, since you have those files saved on your computer, is either drag and drop them in here, or you can choose files to upload. So I have mine saved in my Bio 132 folder, and you can see that I have them right here. So here's the building sample. I'm going to submit that one first, and that's been uploaded. The second one is the sorting sample. You can see it's uploaded here. And then I'm going to do my third one, which is my puzzle. Okay, and you can see all 3 have been uploaded. And then I'm going to click on Submit Assignment. Once I've done that, I can see each of the things that I have submitted and make sure I submitted the right one by clicking on the link, and it'll show you what I'm going to see. So make sure you have all 3 assignments and that you submitted the completed copy, not the blank copies. Sometimes I find it's necessary to ask a student to resubmit their attempt. For example, maybe they forgot one of the activities or didn't do it correctly. I mostly do this when students submit their assignments early. If you submit it on the day it's due and it's incorrect, you will not be asked to submit a new attempt. If I do ask you to do this, you can click on the New Attempt button. That will clear out those submitted files. You can edit them or correct them as directed, and then upload the new files here. Once you're done with that, you'll click Submit Assignment once more. Please do not resubmit your assignments unless you are asked to do so. Thanks for watching. See you in class.